Hello, friends. Let's look into why the legacy of Jawaharlal Nehru endures even now. Why he is more important than ever now. So, he's the foremost leader of the freedom struggle of India. He's the first prime minister of independent India. So, his legacy endures even now because of his contribution in institutionalizing democracy, establishing institutions of excellence in India, and his conviction that poverty and inequality in India cannot be tackled just by the markets. So we talk about Nehruvian socialism. And also, he was the first one to recognize or somewhere institutionalize this belief also that future of India was incomplete without the liberation of other colonies. That is why he is being also known as the cosmopolitan leader, because he, which is again reflected from his frequent visits to Europe or his deep familiarity with the past, understanding the contemporary ideologies of the day. That is why he emphasized or he was committed to the independence of third world countries also. And when we're talking about the recent idea about again multilateralism or the role or the recognizing the importance of global south. So this idea also emerged in 1955 from the Bandung conference where again Jawaharlal Nehru played a prominent role. So this was the Asian African Conference. All these ideas are emerging from that point of time under his leadership.